Okay. Buddha. Callie, your ass is in the camera. Hey YouTube. So, if you can't tell by the title, today I'm doing my first ever pop-up shop at my college. So this video is kind of like a get ready with me for my first ever pop-up shop. I bought stuff from Dollar Tree where I have to make my own. Can you move?
You wanna feel good, I wanna feel good too. Don't let me you feel good, you get me so excited. Show you what I'm about to. Baby, let's do it, you go far. Yeah, watch the stars and go far.
I made these to put on the table. They're like flyers for my business. If nobody knows, I do hair in New York, so look up. And this one's another one like with pictures of my work. And then I got like a card holder, my business cards, and my oils. So ignore my nails. So basically we're gonna get started. They look like this. It looks a little tacky, I'm not gonna lie, but it has a business card, the hair oils in it, whatever, cool. I did 9 bags, although I have 12. I'm gonna bring the rest of them just in case I do sell out, but I doubt it. I got 2 tablecloths too, either pink or black. I wanna do pink, but like my bottles are black, pink, and white, so I was gonna do a black tablecloth, white bag, pink and white fillers, but I think I'm gonna just go with the pink. All right, it looks like this. This is the back of my cards. But is my hands actually? Okay, I gotta get myself together too. All right, y'all, I'm in my bathroom now looking crusty as I don't know what I'm wearing, but I'm about to just do my hair. I'm gonna show you what it looked like. We went to a party about 2 weeks ago and I left it like this. Honestly, it's still in my bun. I don't know if my bun is smushed now. I can't tell. I don't know what's going on. So this is what I'm working with. And I'm gonna just refresh it if it allows me. So yeah, wish me luck. Alright, so I did my hair, and ignore the 2 scarves because I've been fighting in the back of her hair right here, just be falling out, well, being ripped out. No biggie though, it just grows back. So it's in the midst of growing back before I fight somebody else and they pull it out. And oh, and disclaimer, ignore my tattoo. I got it retouched up because I wanted it more pink. It's supposed to be a breast cancer ribbon, but it started to heal red. Funny story, the other day I looked up what the red ribbon's for, and it's supporting HIV. So I didn't want people getting the wrong idea when I was out in public that I have HIV. So I got it touched up. I don't know if you can see it. It's probably covered. Ignore my nails again. But yeah, anyway, I'm about to go put on the outfit. Okay, so I was gonna wear this shirt, but I don't think I'm gonna wear it. It has my like back out. However, I had it hanging up on my the back of my door, and now it has the hanging mark in it, unless I like iron it. But this is the shirt, and it's giving lint tease, so I don't know. I'm gonna go try to get a lint roller. If I can't get it out with a lint roller, I'm just not gonna wear it. So I have a pair of cream Uggs that I was gonna wear with this because I just feel like the black and cream might go. I'm getting black Uggs for Christmas, I think. I sent them to my mom. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get them or not, but I do have pink ones, right, that my boyfriend got me, so shout out to you, babe. I might throw these on to see what they look like though. I don't think black and pink go together like this, but I think I could pull it off, so let's see. My shit is sliding back. Okay. This is what they look like, and they have the Bailey bows, and I'm gonna try them on, so. All right, so I look stupid, but my shoes don't really go, but they go. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just I'm gonna just wear it and say fuck it. Like, I'm gonna show y'all. All right, so this is the top. I'm wearing my Pandora bracelet. These are my jeans, and these are my Uggs I'm wearing. I'm gonna take my hair down, spritz it, put something on my lips. Probably re-moisturize my face because I don't know what's going on. Ignore my bags, and then throw on my scent. And let me pop the chain out because what Miami said, chain little, but I spent some change on it. My mom sure did. So, all right, so this is what my hair looks like. I don't really know what the bun's giving. I don't really give at this point. My hair is.
Hi guys.
Oh, Cece said hi. Okay, so for my lips first, yo, this is mad good. I use Blistex usually, but since COVID, I don't like touching my lips when I'm out in public. So I've been using a Nivea, whatever the is. And hold on, put it on my lips.
I'm right here, relax. Yo, you know what I realized he was saying?
I'm gonna go on with my Naomi Lodge Collection lip gloss. Shout out to Omi. Put it on my lips. Oh, and it comes with a little mirror. Y'all gonna see it if y'all go on the website and cop up. Damn, this mustache is thick. For my sprays, I got Double Diamond, which smells like baby powder. It smells really good. And I mix it with teas, so. All right, I'm gonna see you at the pop-up shop. Alright guys, I'm back from the pop-up shop. I'm eating because I'm fucking hungry. I couldn't record in the pop-up shop because they was playing music by the DJ, so it was my first pop-up shop. Would I do it again? Yes. I would do it. I would do it. You done? I would do it again. I had fun. The music was good. I was just getting tired and hungry and thirsty. I sold, I think, 7 or 9 of my oils, so I made either $70 or $90, which isn't bad for my first time. I enjoyed it. I'm tired.
About to drink some wine. Have a good night.
I'm about to drink. It's about to make me sleepy. And tonight's my Friday because I don't have classes. But yeah, I think that's it. Am I leaving anything out? Yeah. Guys, guess where I'm at right now. You wouldn't believe what happened to me. So I wasn't even gonna vlog today. I was gonna do a weekly vlog or whatever. You know, my date night tonight. Get ready with me when I get home. However, I'm driving from Buffalo all the way to Long Island, and let me just show you. I'm in a ditch. Oh my God. Like literally. Literally. So now my drive got pushed back. AAA had to come. They have to get me out. I'm fine. My car's fine. Matter of fact, story time how I even got here. Are they coming to get me now? Oh, are they coming to get me? They're coming to get me. All right, guys. I'm trying to drive through the snow. Again, it's horrible. I'm driving home in a winter storm. Bro, there's no way. I'm literally driving 10 miles. And it's disgusting. Like, y'all should be on the roads getting this done. Alright guys, ignore my chapped lips. I look a mess. I'm tired. By the time I get home, I would have drove probably like 11 hours. Which is OD. I live 6 hours away. This is Cal's. Kelly, say hi. Yeah, it's bad, but now that's a dead fucking deer, and I just
my new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary.
Yo, my hair looks a freaking mess. Alright y'all, so I made it to my boyfriend's house.
Hi guys.
And I'm about to do my hair first.
We're going out tonight.
We're going on a date tonight. Baby, where you taking me?
No private dining.
I'm getting engaged tonight. You didn't tell him that you was proposing to me?
No.
I be so sick of you niggas that contradict. I be so bored with myself, then you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, still when you around me. Treat me like all the right, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no stacking with you, you know you my blood.
You make it hard for me to see somebody else. I'm calling her your name. Yeah, it's messed up, cause I'm thinking about you. It's your fault, baby. I never wanted us to break up. No, not this way. But you don't understand it, girl. When she touches me.
Guys, we eating today.
What's up, YouTube? And we're back with another banger.
Stop. Please stop. Okay, you might get copyrighted for that.
Oh, yeah.
We're back.
What's up, chameleons?
I mean,
And we're back.
guys, today we're gonna try
Fufu and a goosey soup.
fufu and egusi soup. Okay, you said it. It's egusi soup, but it has goat in it.
Goat meat.
Goat meat. And I've heard that you're supposed to eat it with like swallowing it. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna chew it. But I'm a little nervous.
It tastes good, guys. I had it before.
Mia tasted it before. To me, it smells like lentil soup. Where I eat like the dumpling, but I'd never had this. So I think I'm gonna try the sauce first, and I'm gonna try it with the meat.
You don't even have a fork, a spoon, nothing.
No, you eat it with your hands. It's their culture. Oh, this feels like sticky mashed potatoes.
Oh, says that.
Yeah, people usually say it's sticky, but they don't really like describe.
Try to get some of this part of it.
You're supposed to wet your fingers.
Yeah.
You're horrible at this, Mia. Nah, this is.
We already washed our hands, by the way.
Yeah, we washed our hands already. But hold on.
No, try this part. Try getting some of that in there.
What is this?
It's just the soup part. It's really good, Brownie. You're nervous for nothing.
I'm nervous. I don't like trying new things. Hold on. Oh, that's good.
See, I told you.
But I don't taste nothing.
What?
Like, I taste a little taste, but it's like a tease.
Because you didn't put a lot on there.
Hmm.
You gotta scoop it. That's sticky mashed potatoes.
It's like a sticky mashed potatoes. Okay, so.
I feel like every time she
How
has
about
on her
now?
YouTube channel, my hair never done. Don't y'all agree?
Yo, I swear to God, my hair never done on my own YouTube channel, so. I think ranch would taste good with this.
No. It's so good on the side. Not that.
I'll give this a, an 8.
You better not be doing
Alright, guys, look at Callie. Callie wants some egusi. Puda, you want some egusi? You want some egusi, Puda? Callie said it's a go.
Let's talk about how high gas prices are right now. It's ridiculous.
Bro. Yeah, guys, we live in New York. Well, Long Island, to be, like, specific. And their prices right now is $3.67. I seen $3.79.
That's for regular.
That's just regular. Yeah, Mia drives premium. Can never be Mia.
Premium money.
Yeah, Mia got premium money because I can't. Yeah, well, what you paying?
Like $3.99. During the pandemic, I was paying over $5. No, after?
After the pandemic.
Yeah.
Pandemic, you was having a good time.
The pandemic? I was filling her up at
that's
25.
when he...
This is spilling too.
But yeah, my brother has a dog. He's a pit bull beagle. And I took a video of them today. They were playing with each other's mouths. That sounds crazy. And I'm going to insert pictures of what they look like. Like, so please. Ooh, guys. Mia, do you watch The Impact? You seen the thing with Ari and Jada? How do you feel about it? You think Jada's weird or you think Ari's weird?
I think Jada's weird.
I think Jada's weird too. But I also feel like the TV's painting Jada to be more weird than she is. Because in a snippet I seen on TikTok, I didn't watch it yet, they brought up how Jada was talking about how Ari, remember when Ari made that post like, y'all need to check my LBDs? And I feel like the Shade Room be knowing inside stuff. That's just me. Her Shade Room will post something, and then like 2 weeks later, they'll post something else that adds up to what they just posted like 2 weeks ago. It's mad weird. It's like they all plan it. But this is a situation right here. The shade room posted what Ari said, or maybe I just be out the loop. The shade room posted that Ari said that y'all need to check on your PDs, but nobody felt no way about it. But now on the impact,
But it's also like, why do you feel like that is about you though? Because you know your baby daddy ain't shit. So that's why you feel that way? I don't think anything happened that's particular for her to be like, oh, she's talking about me.
That's what I'm saying. I don't think anything happened on that
If
particular
the
day.
shoe fit, baby, wear it.
Lace that bitch up and stunt. But in the comments on TikTok, because Jada, I guess, felt like that was about her. I was like, Ari, what do you mean? This one's yours, Mia? Or this mine that fell off the bone?
I don't know. You could eat it. I'm free at home.
But yeah, so so Jada felt like that was about her. But in the comments, what made sense to me why Jada would think it was about her is because I guess Des Dior was dating Javonta, who used to talk to Ari. But I get why. I feel like Jada felt like it was about her because Ari never spoke out about Des talking to her ex-boyfriend. So,
but that's not
maybe
weird to you. That's you're already being a weirdo.
That is weird. I mean, but then again, on the show, I don't see Des and Ari speak. So I feel like that's
you
why.
better not say nothing.
No, I'm sorry. I don't think they was friends even before the show. So I feel like that also be some weird stuff to be going on that they never spoke about. So that's why Jada probably feeling like Ari being weird to her because she has a guilty conscience. Which is why she would think when she said, yeah, I need to check on your BVs, she's talking about her. And maybe one of Ari's friends. Did that happen? One of Ari's friends was talking. Oh my god, that's spice. Then again, I also feel like Jada wants to be the it girl. And she wants to be the main character. And because there's another main character coming forward, she can't handle it.
But I also think that she just can't understand like how Ari is getting
better than her.
Not better, but like as successful as her, and Ari is just ghetto. Like, but not ghetto in a bad way. Like ghetto in a good way. Like to the point, like she's herself.
She's
and,
relatable.
Yeah, and Jada just wants to be too perfect, and it's like you don't have.
You can't be. I was gonna say you can't be perfect with your baby father doing you like that, but the Gucci soup is good. I like it. I give it an 8 out of 10. Maybe a 9 out of 10, but nothing's perfect, so I'm gonna stick with the 8 out of 10. Mia, what you rate the Gucci soup?
I give it like
Go.
maybe an 8.
I give it an 8 too.
Like it's something I can eat on the regular.
No. I have it again.
Not on the regular, maybe like once a month. So let me tell y'all what I got now. I got chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream from Baskin Robbins, but I wanted gummy worms. First of all, the man tried to not let us in because he closed at 12 and it was 11:39 when we got there. He didn't want to open the door.
It probably was 11:38. I was out there for a minute.
And if y'all know Brianna, she got that man to open up that door. And then he had the nerve to lock me out.
Let me tell you something. I'm a lady first before anything, right, Mia?
You what?
I said I'm a lady first. Right, Mia? Anyway, so I got my favorite ice cream, Snickers from Baskin Robbins. And yeah, the man let me in because what are you doing? How are you going to close the store at 11:39? I have a young black queen standing outside in the snow. And then you kick my dog out the first time I was there. And y'all selling dog toys inside. No. How is no dogs allowed but you selling dog toys?